Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials. Verify your Outlook version and whether the account is a map, POP, or Exchange, because the solution differs by type. Next, look in deleted items and the server trash. Sometimes messages are simply moved. While you're here, temporarily disable forwarding rules and auto-archive schedules so they don't continue removing mail. Once done, restart Outlook and keep it open. That ensures changes take effect and helps you observe whether automatic deletions continue immediately. Now dive into rules and alerts. Scan each rule for actions that delete, move, or permanently remove messages, and disable them one at a time to test impact. Also examine junk email settings. Aggressive filters can auto-delete. Add trusted senders to safe senders. Make sure mailbox cleanup limits aren't set to purge items older than a threshold. If you use an Exchange or hosted provider, verify server-side retention and transport rules in the admin console, because those can delete mail before Outlook sees. To finish, repair local data. Run the inbox repair tool on PSD/OSD files to fix corruption that may trigger deletion behavior. If corruption persists or sync looks wrong, remove and re-add the account to force a clean folder sync. For a map, ensure leave messages on server is set appropriately, and for POP, set remove from server timing. If problems continue, enable Outlook logging, reproduce the deletion, and provide logs to your admin or provider. That log is the single most useful troubleshooting artifact.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.